Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete your account on X. And for this, make sure that you logged into your account on the X application. And from here we will go to our profile picture left in the top. Then tap on settings and privacy, your account, and then tap on deactivate your account. Then scroll down and tap on deactivate. Fill in your password. And our account got deactivated. Alright, now after 30 days my account got deleted. So if I want it back, please make sure that you logged in between those 30 days with just logging in with the same details to your account. If you want to get your account back, then don't do that. And make sure that you won't ever log into your account, and after 30 days X will delete your account. Alright, this is how it works, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.